Assalamualaikum student. Today our topic is open source software. That is in your book it's on page number 31. Open source software. What is open source software? Open source software is a type of software provided for use, modification and redistribution without any cost. The source code of open source software is available to everyone. Anyone can modify the instructions of software and redistribute it. Many programmers improve the open source software by adding more features. Basically, open source software is available in the form of source code. Source code, what is source code? Source code means when we write the program in different languages, that program is called the source code. Means if you write the program in C++, in C sharp or in Java language, so when we use these all the languages to write the program, we call it this program is a source code. ठीक है, डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे हैं आप तो वो आपका सोर्स कोड है. And this source code is available on the internet and they have given it free of cost, free for use. You can modify it, you can do any changing in that code if you know the language. Okay, so the source code of open source software is available to everyone. You can do the changing in that code whenever you need it. You can add the features in that code. So many programmers improve the open source software by adding more features. So open source software, it is a computer software that is available in the form of source code that allow user to do changing and study and improve it. Open source software is free for use, modification and distribution. Now example of open source softwares are Linux operating system, Open Office productivity softwares, flight gear, flight simulators and Java programming languages. So these are all the example of open source software that are available to everyone and you can do the changing in that code. Next is shareware. Shareware is distributed free of cost for a limited period, usually 1 or 2 months. It is trial version of software given to people to decide whether they would like to buy the full version of the software or they want to use it for a limited time period. There are many games that you may know about those games that there was a message given by those game owner if you want to download it or if you want to use it for a 15 days trial period. So that is your shareware, means for a limited time period, for 1 month, for 2 months, for 15 days, if you want any software, then it's mean that software is a shareware that is free of cost. You will not pay anything for that software, but that is for the limited time period. And it is a trial version, okay? And after using it for a trial for 15 days or 20 days, then you will decide if it is useful software, then you can purchase it. Some shareware is installed on new computer when they are sold. Example of shareware are antivirus software and computer games. So the antivirus, also different type of antivirus are available that are for the limited time period, for 1 month or for 2 months. But some of the computer owners or those who gave you the new computers, they may install these shareware on your computers like antivirus softwares or other types of software. So this is shareware that is free of cost but limited time period. Next, third is freeware. Freeware is given free of cost and it is full version of software for an unlimited period of time. Now this freeware is opposite to shareware. It is free of cost but the time period is unlimited. There you can use it. You can use any software without any limit, and it may have some restrictions such as allowed for personal or academic use only. For example, we have Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, VLC Media Player. So these are freewares. They are free of cost. You can download from the internet even, and you can download the full version of these softwares, these web browsers even, and you can use it for the unlimited period of time. So these are the three last topic of your book, open source software, shareware and freeware. Hope you understand these all topics. Thank you.